My name is VK. I'm the founder of Will Village Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 2 skills that you need to master during lockdown and beyond. Those skills that if you master them, they will help you to stay at home and make money online. But before I dive into the video, if you are new on my channel, go down and like this video, share it, and subscribe to let me know you want more content like this on my channel. And for those who are already a member of our Make Money Online Working From Home community, welcome back. I really appreciate your time. Now let me dive in and help you make some quick cash while you are stuck at home. As I said it, I'm going to cover the top 2 skills that you must learn. And once again, before I talk about that, let me cover 4 criteria that you must be looking for while you're getting ready to learn new skills that will help you make money and put food on the table without having to leave your home. First, any skill that you will be learning right now must have immediate impact on your life. It wouldn't be something that will take years to give you results. You need results and you need it now. For that reason, and here comes criteria number 2, it has to be a skill that doesn't take years to learn. You don't have that time right now. You don't have time like going to school. So the skill that you will be learning right now, it doesn't have to take years for you to learn it. Criteria number 3, it has to be a skill that you can learn from the comfort of your home. The reason being, we are all stuck at home and we are not able to go out to learn anything. So it has to be a skill that you can learn from the comfort of your home. And criteria number 4, it has to be a skill that you can learn at your own pace. So if you want to take 1 week to go through the course and learn the skill, you can do it. The same way, if you want to take 2 weeks, 3 weeks to go through the course, you can do it. So it has to be something that you can be learning at your own pace. Now here comes skill number 1 that you have to focus on learning while being stuck at home. And that is digital marketing skill. You see, in the past, being a digital marketer or being on social media was just something beautiful. But today, social media has become a necessity. Whether it is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter, you have to be doing something to put yourself out there. So many of them are realizing how important it is to be online, how important it is to be on the internet. So if you learn how to create funnels, if you learn how to build a website, if you learn how to drive traffic, the time is coming and those small businesses will need your service. I came here prepared. So the first link in the description of this video will take you to my #1 recommended program that will teach you how to become a digital marketer, having the skill to build funnels, create websites, drive traffic to your offers. Now the skill number 2 that you have to learn during lockdown, a skill that is going to make you rich, a skill that is going to help you put food on the table, is copywriting. You may be asking yourself, how is that one important? But let me tell you, any social media post, any ad, any email, any landing page, any sales page that you see on the internet uses copy. Copywriting is necessary to have all those done, even with videos. And remember, when those small businesses will choose to be on the internet, they will need copywriters to write their copies. When they are building funnels, they will need copywriters to write copy on the funnel. The same thing goes with websites, social media posts, emails, and any advertisement that they will need to run. And with all the noise that we have on the internet right now, content creation is something that is going to save businesses. In other words, content marketing is extremely important in order to stand out. So if you want to learn copywriting, if you want to know exactly what to say on your funnels, on your websites, to convince people to buy from you, I will make it the 2nd link in the description of this video. It's a book that you can get today and solve that problem. Again, the link will be in the description of this video. This is all I have for you today, but before I let you go, if you want to know my #1 recommended program, a program that is going to help you make a full-time income while being at home, the first link in the description of this video will take you to that place. Also, if you are not yet a member of our Make Money Online Working From Home community, Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. I really appreciate your time. This is VK. I will see you in the next video.